Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta, is the capital of the Indian state of West Bengal and is situated on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River. The city was the capital of British India until 1911, when the capital was moved to New Delhi. Kolkata is known as the cultural capital of India, renowned for its rich cultural heritage, literature, and arts. The city is home to the famous Durga Puja festival, a major religious and cultural event that attracts millions of visitors from around the world. Kolkata has one of the largest metropolitan areas in India, with a population exceeding 14 million people. The Howrah Bridge, one of the longest cantilever bridges in the world, connects the city to Howrah and is an iconic symbol of Kolkata. The city is known for its colonial architecture, with numerous buildings designed in the Indo-Saracenic style, including the Victoria Memorial. Kolkata is home to the Kolkata Knight Riders, a popular franchise cricket team in the Indian Premier League (IPL), co-owned by Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan. The city has a vibrant street food culture, with iconic dishes like puchka, pani puri, Kasi rolls, and mishti doi, sweet yogurt. Kolkata is home to the Indian Museum, the oldest and largest museum in India, which houses a vast collection of artifacts, including fossils, mummies, and ancient sculptures. The city's literary scene is thriving, with notable writers such as Rabindranath Tagore, the first non-European Nobel laureate in literature, hailing from Kolkata. The famous College Street, known as Boypara, is home to numerous bookstores and is often referred to as the largest second-hand book market in the world. Kolkata is famous for its trams, which are one of the few remaining tram systems in India and provide a unique way to explore the city. The city has a rich history of political activism and was a center for the Indian independence movement, with leaders like Subhas Chandra Bose emerging from its streets. The Howrah Station, one of the busiest railway stations in India, serves as a major transportation hub and features stunning Victorian architecture. Kolkata is known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural festivals held throughout the year. The city is home to the prestigious Presidency University, one of the oldest universities in India, established in 1817. Kolkata has a diverse population, with significant communities of Bengalis, Biharis, Marwaris, and Chinese, contributing to its multicultural fabric. The city is known for its traditional sweets, particularly rasgulla and sandesh, which are integral to Bengali cuisine. Kolkata's Maidan is one of the largest urban parks in India, often referred to as the lungs of the city, providing a green space for recreation. The city has a rich musical tradition, with genres like Rabindra Sangeet, Nazrul Geethi, and Baul music being integral to its cultural identity. Kolkata hosts the International Film Festival of India, showcasing a range of films from around the world and promoting cinematic talent. The city is famous for its handloom products, particularly saris like the famous Banarasi intant saris, which are highly sought after. Kolkata's Park Street is known for its bustling nightlife, with numerous restaurants, bars, and clubs that come alive after dark. The city has a significant artistic heritage, with the Kolkata Art College being one of the oldest art institutions in India. The Belur Math, the headquarters of the Ramankrishna Order, is a prominent spiritual and architectural landmark located on the banks of the Hooghly River. Kolkata is known for its unique blend of Hindu, Muslim, and Christian influences, reflected in its festivals, cuisine, and architecture. The city has a rich tradition of theatre, with prominent groups like the Nandikar and the group theatre producing acclaimed plays. Kolkata's economy is diverse, with significant contributions from industries like textiles, jute, information technology, and pharmaceuticals. The city is home to the famous Kaligat Temple, one of the oldest temples dedicated to the goddess Kali, attracting pilgrims from across the country. Kolkata's Science City is the largest science center in India, featuring interactive exhibits, a planetarium, and an IMAX theater. The city celebrates Poila Baisakh, the Bengali New Year, with vibrant festivities, including traditional music, dance, and feasting. Kolkata has a long-standing tradition of sports, with football being particularly popular, and the city is home to iconic clubs like Mohun Bagan and East Bengal. The city was a significant center for the Indian Renaissance in the 19th century, producing many social reformers and thinkers. Kolkata's ethnic diversity is reflected in its cuisine, offering a wide range of dishes from different regions of India and beyond. The city's Victoria Memorial is surrounded by beautiful gardens and serves as a museum dedicated to the history of British rule in India. Kolkata's climate is characterized by a tropical wet and dry pattern, with a monsoon season that brings heavy rainfall from June to September. The city has a rich tradition of folk art, with vibrant forms like the Tachitra and Jatra being integral to its cultural expression. Kolkata's Bhavanipur area is known for its historical significance and is home to the famous South Park Street Cemetery. The city is also known for its numerous educational institutions, including the University of Calcutta, Jadavpur University, and the National Institute of Fashion Technology. Kolkata has a strong tradition of dance, with classical forms like Odissi and Kathakali being performed alongside traditional folk dances. The city has several heritage buildings that are recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Victorian Gothic and Art Deco architecture of the city. Kolkata's diverse wildlife can be explored at the Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest mangrove forest in the world, located nearby.